Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, Sarthak. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. Ma'am, I'm fine.
Good to hear that.
Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Now,
morning,
for
ma'am.
7C and 7B is here. So 7C is I already told. But 7B children, kindly hear to me very attentively. Like today
Yes.
we have two combined lectures. Like this lecture is also combined, and the seventh lecture is also combined with 7C.
Good
So
morning, ma'am.
good morning, Richard. So the thing is, to whom the Faridi we have from 7B. The thing is, since we have completed this chapter of geography in 7C and we haven't completed it in your class, so we can hold this chapter for a day. We can begin with advertisements today so that both of us can go simultaneously. And tomorrow, I think in two lectures, we will be able to finish this chapter because it's a very small chapter. Okay. So I think, and then later on, what will we do? Tomorrow, we'll continue with the geography one. Shall we do it like this? 7B?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you be okay?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay, thank you so much, kids. So today we'll begin with the chapter advertisements. 7C, is it okay? Is it fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Will
Yes, ma'am.
it be better
Yes,
for you? No?
ma'am.
Otherwise, you would have to just
Morning, ma'am.
reread all that we have already read. Okay, good morning, everyone. And as we have less time, so we must utilize it to the maximum. Okay, right, kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. So kindly open page number 255, everyone. Page number 255. Good morning, Sanya.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Victor.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, the chapter advertising, I thought that you will start with civics. So, ma'am, I have already completed the chapter. I have read the chapter.
I
I have
have
underlined
read.
all
I
the
have read it.
points.
I have read it.
I have read. Sorry, ma'am. And ma'am, I have done the question answers of too with
Very,
exercises.
very good. So see, kids, this is
Ma'am,
a
page number
very, very.
250. Ma'am, 255 is for markets around us.
Oh, sorry. The previous one. Page number 249.
Okay,
Page number 249. Yes, kids. So as I begin with saying, this chapter is very easy chapter, right, children? If you can look at the beginning of the chapter, they have given this slow tan sun cream something, right? We can see an advertisement given here, right, kids? On the very first page, why burn when you can tan? So basically, this is one type of advertisement. Like you all have seen the advertisement of Kinder Joy. Do you know what is Kinder Joy?
Yes, ma'am, many times.
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
Yes, ma'am.
How
Yes,
much does it cost?
40.
40. What does it include?
Ma'am, what?
What does it include? What do we get in this 40?
Ma'am, two balls of
Like,
chocolates
just
and
a
milk
plastic toy.
card,
Just the
and ma'am, the
plastic
toy.
toy. Like just total waste of money it is. But when they made the
Yes.
advertisement of it, when they used to advertise it, they used to advertise it in such a nice manner that all the kids went crazy about it. Right? They all wanted to buy it, no matter whatever it's in there. They wanted to buy it, and it was just complete waste of money, right? That's what
And
advertisement
ma'am,
is all
even
about.
for lickables.
Hanji,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am,
even for
ma'am, the
lickables.
yes, ma'am, ma'am, whenever I read in that, ma'am, they are only that it is the cards which are useful, and I don't know where it gone now, and it's worst experience.
no matter. But this is what it is. No, we cannot escape it. right? So, and it's not only about this thing, from soaps to the garments that we wear, to the oil we use in our home, to the comb we use, everything, every little thing is being advertised on various platforms. Even education nowadays, right? Now, though, even education is being advertised, isn't it?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
teachers.
Yes,
Byju's,
ma'am.
Vedantu.
Right? Vedantu, Baidu,
Ma'am, even classmates.
a classmate, like everything is being advertised. Like, this is what the major rule. You know what? I had commerce when I was in my 11th class. So my teacher told me a very nice thing. So he was teaching us marketing, right? What is marketing? What does, when you get to do MBA, what do they teach you in MBA? Do you know what did he tell me? He told me, beta, the basic job an MBA person has to do after doing an MBA is that you have to sell a comb to a bald person. This kind of marketing skills you need to have, and selling skills.
Yes, ma'am, I have heard this question.
This statement. You need to sell, like you should be so efficient
The
that
comb to
you
the
sell
bald person.
a comb to a bald man. Like, the irony here is that bald man is not going to use the comb for anything. He doesn't have hair on his head. What is he going to do with the comb? Right? But then that is what we have to do. We have to tell him the benefits of it. No, this is good for you. This is that, etc., 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 etc. And this is what these advertisements do. Like, many of the things we don't even require. They're not even use of, like, they're not even useful for us. But still,
Ma'am, we
buy
don't
them
need it, but we
because
buy it because of the
we
advertisement.
still
If
buy them.
When
Why?
we create
Because we
FOMO, so the person will buy it.
get so mesmerized by the
Ma'am, it's like, ma'am, this ad, ये ad तो बड़ा अच्छा था, तो try करते हैं.
this advertisement was very nice. Like, the thing seems to be good. Let's try it out, right? Like, they used to show it in the Fair and Lovely and this and that, which they have now changed to Glow and Lovely. They used to just completely transform. Like, it shows as if it is working faster than the plastic surgery. You will use it for a week and oh, you'll change your skin color only, which is not at all possible. But they used to show it, right? So in the previous chapter, we learned what advertisements are briefly, right? Did we learn that?
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
know. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Anji? Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I was
Ma'am, I
saying
also
that,
haven't read.
ma'am, in previous chapter we learned about media, but ma'am, a little about advertisement.
A little about advertisements. We will learn more about advertising in this chapter. A sample advertisement is given in the picture above. What information message do we get from this picture? You people tell me. What information are you getting from the picture given above?
Ma'am, the information it is telling that it is a sun cream. If you'll use it, so your skin will be like it will protect you from the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. It is good for your health if you are going to beach or something.
Right, it's telling us various benefits. Although they do not tell us that, oh, in so much of money you are going to get only 10 grams of the cream or this and that. Like we see of, what do we call them? Chips. We get such a big packet of chips, but as soon as we open it, the chips are only
Our
30
big
minutes.
gas.
Ma'am, because of the gas, ma'am,
Nitrogen.
gas is very useful because
Nitrogen.
of the
Nitrogen
yes,
is
ma'am.
filled
If we'll not use,
You
so
know
our
why
chips will
nitrogen
be
is
like
filled in those chips?
Advertisement.
yes, ma'am, I know.
Why?
Ma'am, it is used because of the chips. Like it is crispy when we open it and eat it, but if the hydrogen is not so, ma'am, it will like what do we say, ma'am? Sometime when we open the chips,
Will become soft.
yes, ma'am, it will soggy.
Okay. So yes. Now, do you know, like, they are very nicely, they have shown that slow and green helps us to protect against the harmful effects of ultraviolet radiation. Using Slow lets you stay in the sun together without burning, right? So children, this will be a task for the day. Today, what you have to do is you have to create creative advertisement of any product you want to. Okay, just make a very
Ma'am, Gagan sir has also
Ma'am,
discussed that
Ma'am, we
topic.
have
Ma'am,
done
yes,
it
ma'am.
last
ma'am,
year.
And we
already
haven't
done.
done that. Ma'am,
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2
Ma'am, I
Why,
don't
yeah,
know
you
from
people have
how
already
many
told.
months
You
you have
prepared
planned
yourself with the
that
advertisement for the thing, no? You have prepared
Yes,
yourself,
ma'am.
right?
Yes,
So we
ma'am.
can do that once you have completed this
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, but like
We are
we will not do
prepared.
that
And ma'am,
like that
we
we
have
were
made it
doing.
in the scheme.
We can
Ma'am,
do
Ma'am, our
everyone
script is
has to
ready
make
and
their
roles are ready,
ma'am
but
like
not performed yet.
what,
ma'am,
Kavya?
everyone has to make individual or
No,
in group.
advertisements you have to make individual. Like of any product you want to, make a very nice
Okay,
creative
ma'am.
advertisement of that and you will sell it as well. Right? That
Ma'am,
how
but
this
like
thing
we
is
don't have
useful.
to choose that we are doing on our group activity.
First, you can make a creative of that advertisement and then you have to explain the benefits. But like you have to sell it to me. You have to sell your product to me. How are you gonna sell it? What advertisement you'll make of it? Right? You'll do it today and sell it to me. Okay?
Yes.
Any product.
Any product of your choice.
Ma'am, like that is useful.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is compulsory that it is useful. We have to make the
Any-
social advertisement or commercial, like our choice.
You have your choice. You can make any product, but you cannot bring me the like you cannot bring it like pan masala kind of advertisement. You cannot make cigarettes kind of advertisement. You cannot make.
Ma'am, this too we will not do. Ma'am.
You
We also
cannot
know
make
Ma'am,
that
I
it's
know what
harmful.
you read. Ma'am, I know
Yes, you
what you
can make.
literally need.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know what you need. I know what you need.
But you know what I need?
Yes,
What do I need?
I see it every day.
What?
But I'm not gonna tell it.
Lipstick.
Ma'am, I
I'm
know.
very confused.
Ma'am, you
No,
just want
no, not A.
What do I
Beside
need?
makeup. Beside makeup.
Besides
Rubber
what
band or
else?
something.
What do I need?
I'm not
Ma'am,
gonna tell.
you
It's a
want
secret.
I
everyone to
need sleep.
respond
Can
in
you
class.
provide me that?
Ma'am, what you need?
Sleep.
Sleep.
Well, I think
Um,
everyone wants that.
Yeah, everyone
doesn't?
wants
Okay,
the
fine.
sleep.
Okay, children. We have
Ma'am,
discussed
if
enough.
someone will leave me at night watching TV, so ma'am, I will watch at till 1 p.m. And ma'am, I will not didn't switch off it. And ma'am, I will just sleep. And ma'am, woke up at 9 or 10.
Same here.
Okay, fine. Yes, Rishit Agarwal, read about advertisements. Rishit Agarwal, begin reading, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Read about advertisements.
Okay, ma'am. The
Rishit, I cannot hear you, beta.
Ma'am, his voice is cracking a lot.
Kanak, you read.
Ma'am, it is not showing that he is even speaking.
Kanak. Darsh Agarwal, you read.
Okay, ma'am. We come across different advertisements like the one given above in newspapers, journals, magazines, hoardings, radio, and television. They give information or message about some products or services like soaps, air conditioners, restaurants, food items, and so on. They draw our attention towards the unique features of the products or services. The very purpose of giving such information is to promote a product or service and encourage consumers to buy them. This promotional activity is called advertising, where the manufacturer or the trader or the service provider is called an advertiser. The message or the information supplied is called advertisement. And the media through which such information is supplied are called the media of advertising.
Okay, thank you so much, Darsh. So, children, as Darsh read it out, Darsh told us about that we come across different advertisements like the one given in newspapers, okay, journals, magazines, hoardings, radio, and television. Nowadays, whether you're opening a television, whether you are opening a magazine, right, or a newspaper per se, what are you gonna find first? News or the advertisements?
Ma'am, the advertisement.
The advertisements, right? Everything is flooded with advertisements. The internet, whenever we're browsing something, then also different advertisements keep popping up. Whenever you're watching something on YouTube, whenever we are going out in the market, different things, different walls and hoardings are having different advertisements.
Ma'am, at the
Television.
starting of the video, advertisements are still there.
What, beta?
Ma'am, when a movie starts, from the advertisements are also there.
Exactly. Whenever you're going to watch a movie. So everywhere they are. They give like advertisements, yes, they are informative. They give us messages about some products or services like soaps, air conditioners, restaurants, food. It is restaurants or restaurant. What's the correct pronunciation, children?
Ma'am, restaurant.
From restaurant.
Restaurant.
So,
Okay.
Also,
Very good. Right? They gave us information about restaurants, air conditioners, food items, and so on. They draw our attention towards the unique features of the products and services, whatever unique features they have, right? They just tell us about the benefits of that product. That's how you have to tell me, right? The very purpose of giving such information is to promote a product or service and encourage the consumers to buy them. Like you can see the audacity of these advertisements that they also tell us that why you should eat pan masala, which is something very
I'm dangerous.
like not even required by the people,
And ma'am,
but they
after the
also tell us
advertisement,
about
they
that.
say that it is dangerous.
ad is done by Ajay Devgan.
Right?
Ma'am,
Right,
Ma'am, are
Sakshi?
we
No,
understanding
ma'am, that
the
was
chapter
not the
or
Ajay
are we
Devgan, ma'am. That
roasting
he's
it?
telling not about the ma'am the pan masala. He's telling
Ma'am,
about the
Amitabh
soft
Bachchan
elaichi.
was saying
Ma'am, I
about
saw that the fact.
Pan
Ma'am,
masala
which
as
Ajay
well.
Devgan say? Kesaria.
Pan
Ma'am,
That
masala as
after
one.
the
well.
advertisement, they
Ma'am,
tell us
at the
that it
last
is dangerous to eat also.
Exactly, like
Yes,
just tell
ma'am.
and look at the audacity. That's what I'm telling. Like they have the audacity to do it. Right? The meaning of audacity means they have the courage that they know it is
Ma'am,
wrong.
once I
But
was
still they show
watching
it.
television with my mother, and ma'am, there is a game like it starts with M. I don't remember. It's like games.
MPA.
Yeah, MPL. So they were saying that they showed a little games which a few people play, and after that they were saying that if this is a game, and then play MPL and all, and afterwards that also said that it's dangerous. My
One
mother
more
is saying
thing,
what's
we
the
all
use
know
of it?
that betting. We all know that
Yes.
betting is illegal, right?
Ma'am, they were saying
Betting
that
is not
that
good.
is dangerous. इसकी आदत पड़ सकती है.
How many of the cricket fans do we have here? How many cricket fans do we have here? The people who
Ma'am, I
watch
used
cricket.
to play, but I don't used to watch.
People watch
I'm
cricket.
big
right?
cricket fan.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
So you are cricket fans. You know that betting on cricket is not legal. It's illegal, right? We should not do that. It causes great effects. But have you heard of Dream 11? This time when we were watching
Yes,
cricket,
ma'am.
ads were
Yes,
flooding
ma'am.
up.
Every time
Dream
I
11.
came.
You should keep on betting.
Ma'am,
You should
every
keep betting,
time
like,
Dream 11 and many
Yes,
copies
ma'am.
of it. Take your
exactly.
team.
Like what is it? Yes, Pranjal, do you have something to say?
Ma'am, on their t-shirts or jersey, ma'am, like they have, ma'am, they have the logo Byju's and all
They
that.
have not left any place where they cannot advertise. Everywhere, from
Ma'am,
poles
from
to the walls,
cricket.
to the hoardings, to the auto rickshaws.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I'm fed up of it. Like whenever I used to open television and there is like Byju's and
Like whenever
everywhere.
Ma'am, Byju's are the like, ma'am, they are making a company of it or like
Byju's
that.
have
Ma'am,
different
they,
company,
ma'am, like
they have
but
also
ma'am,
make a
Vedantu is
company.
dangerous. Ma'am, you shouldn't download it. Like, ma'am,
downloaded it.
I don't know. I downloaded it, but ma'am, Edna, next time the scholarship they are asking for that, and they're just calling again and again, and they are saying
Ma'am, they
you
are
should do
just
that, you
like,
should do that, and ma'am, my
Yes,
mother
ma'am. They
blocked the
call very
number.
much.
Have you seen
ma'am, they
one
call
thing? Have
very
you
much,
noticed
ma'am.
one thing?
Like,
Like,
Ma'am, firstly,
have you noticed one thing? Whenever we search one thing on the internet, right? For example, we want to buy anything. For example, I want to buy a laptop, right? I just searched once for a laptop on the internet, but then after it, they will keep showing me advertisements of different varieties of laptops. Doesn't it happen? When I search one thing,
yes,
now they keep this because they are collecting our data as well. They collect our data, and because of that they tell us. Okay, I'll tell you.
Ma'am, they
about
use
the-
artificial intelligence to show us advertisement.
Exactly, it is known as what do we call it? Data scientists. The data
AI.
scientists are there who do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, the data. And you know what, children, like I tell you about the occupations, like different jobs coming up nowadays. People were not even aware about what a data scientist is, right? But now this job is becoming very popular. People are earning in lakhs by working as a data scientist, right? And they make us do like small courses of these things, which you must be aware of. You people should try to keep yourself updated from now onwards of the various job opportunities coming up in the service sector, because this will help you to make the right decision that which line, which subject you want to choose after 10th and which line you want to work in. Okay,
Ma'am,
so we were talking about the very purpose of giving such information is to promote a product or service and encourage consumers to buy them. Just example we have seen of Kinder Joy, right? This promotional activity is called advertising, where the manufacturer or the trader or the service provider is called an advertiser. Kindly underline this, children. The person who is the manufacturer or the trader or the service provider, that person is known as an advertiser, right? The message or information supplied is called advertisement, and the media through which such information is supplied are known as media of advertising. Please underline all this till here. Have you
Ma'am,
done
done.
that? Right? Clear? Yes, Prakash, read about types of advertising.
Okay, ma'am. Types of advertising. On the basis of the purpose served by the advertisements, they can be classified into three categories. A. Commercial advertising. B. Non-commercial advertising. C. Social advertising.
Just a minute,
The
Prakash.
aim of
Just a minute. Before we begin with it, first, can you give me an example of all three of them? What is commercial advertising?
ma'am,
Ma'am, related to business.
For example, give
ma'am,
me
like iPhone 13 Pro.
like
Ma'am,
iPhone
LinkedIn.
13, LinkedIn. LinkedIn का video
Ma'am,
universe promotion. हाँ जी.
Ma'am of Maggie.
Maggie, anything which we are advertising to get commercial benefits, right? That's known as commercial advertising.
And ma'am of non-commercial, ma'am, like advertising of a university or a campus.
Why universities are seeking admissions? When admissions will come, they'll get fees. It will turn into monetary benefit for them.
Ma'am, maybe NGO.
Yeah, right. When they're telling us about the,
But they are not like advertising more.
why don't they advertise? They also advertise
No,
when the
ma'am. Ma'am, like we cannot see them everywhere.
but they are advertising themselves as well. No, the political
But they
parties are advertising. The political parties do advertise themselves. That's also a kind of advertisement. अब की बार मोदी सरकार अच्छे दिन आएंगे. Or what is all this?
Ma'am, Nike is also an advertisement of
What?
Nike.
Nike is a commercial advertisement. Right. What is social advertising?
Ma'am, social advertising.
Ma'am, like cleaning, something like that.
Advertising for awareness.
Advertising for
Ma'am,
awareness, for social causes. Advertising
Yes, ma'am.
about we should all use masks, we should all cover ourselves, stay at home. Such type of advertisements are known as social
Ma'am, like
advertisements.
of Lifebuoy or like that.
No, Lifebuoy again is a
Lifebuoy is a
commercial.
commercial.
Later you need to realize anything buying which for which you need to pay money. Who need to turn off your mic? Anything.
Ma'am,
you
like
need to pay
there is
money
an
to buy.
ad in which ma'am Akshay Kumar is advertising that with two children of to be aware with corona. Ma'am, like COVID.
Right? We have seen, like the call on,
Yes,
like
ma'am,
when
that is
now
a
we
social
call
advertising, I
anyone,
think.
we get to know this call, like that Amitabh Bachchan voice used to come, no? Corona and this, he used to speak something, and he used to dial a number to someone. That is a kind of social advertisement, right? They are making us aware that we have to wear masks, we have to stay at home, right? And then the advertisement, like when we are trying to Like Amitabh Bachchan is promoting tourism in Gujarat. That again is a kind of social advertisement. We're trying to encourage people. When we're encouraging people for voting, right? You have seen many advertisement comes in which they encourage people to go to vote. Such kind of advertisements are known
Now
as.
only it is coming of Priyanka Gandhi.
Such kind of advertisements are known
Ma'am,
as.
beware of Yogi.
Yes. Now let's read. Yes, Prakash, read.
The aim of commercial advertisements is to promote certain products and services and pursue people to choose them. Commercial advertisements help in increasing the demands of a product. Non-commercial advertisements are meant for giving information about different charitable institutions, non-governmental organizations, or political parties, and the work done by them. The government also uses media to communicate with general public to give information about its welfare schemes and policies. The purpose of such advertisements is to spread awareness about social issues such as precautions to prevent certain diseases, safety rules to be followed, etc. This is known as social advertising.
Thank you so much, Prakash. And children, like I have told you, whatever I am underlining, it's important for you to underline the same as well, right?
Ma'am,
So I
underline.
hope that you people are underlining it too. Are you?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good then, right? So we come across different, like the aim of commercial advertisement is to promote certain products and services and persuade means manana, to people to choose them, buy them, right? Such are known as commercial advertisements. They help in increasing demands of a product, right? They just help in increasing demand of a product, whether it's a shampoo, it's a soap, it's a notebook, or
Ma'am, do you
anything
know?
else. What?
Ma'am, about the shampoos, ma'am, in shampoos or like conditioner, the small packets are also coming and the big one also. So we are choosing the big one, so can like it is having more, so we can prefer it. And so, but ma'am, if we will calculate it, like if we are buying of 215 rupees, the bottle of rupees, and ma'am the small packets of 215. So ma'am, do you know? मैम द जो पैकेट में होगा वो बहुत ज्यादा कम होगा मैम इट इज लेस
Okay.
and ma'am the packets
No,
the
ma'am,
small
not
one is having
ma'am.
more
This didn't
ma'am you
happen.
can check ma'am it didn't happen like जितने इतना बड़ा आपने शैम्पू लिया
And ma'am,
to
like in starting in some like there is a supermarket, ma'am, the Geo Mart, ma'am, it just opened now. And ma'am, they are like giving discount of too much, ma'am. Like ma'am, there was a diaper, like there was a
ma'am you
big
can
pack
check
of diaper, and ma'am, it brought 700, around 700 rupees, and ma'am, they were giving at 496 rupees.
And even after giving so much of discount, these companies are
And
not
ma'am,
at
that was
loss.
premium.
They are still earning net profit. So you can imagine the amount of profit they do earn. Even after giving this much of
Ma'am,
amount,
they
it's
are
not
giving
go at loss.
discount on everything, ma'am, 5% discount.
And still they're not at loss. Student, please make sure that you have underlined what I have underlined. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So next is the non-commercial advertisement. Like I told you, they're
It's
meant
like
for
that
giving.
they have given discount, but they have not.
Yes. So the
Ma'am, I
non-commercial
have got
advertisements-
a foolproof discount yesterday night. Yeah, my father was actually ordering shampoos from Wow. It was a package of 5 shampoos of 1,000 rupees. I got it for 599 and got a free scrubber.
Wow. And do you think
From the
company would
Wow's
be at a
website.
loss? I
From
got
the
that.
Wow's
Yeah.
website.
I got that. Right? So we got a 50% discount, right? So yes. Now the government also uses media to communicate with general public to give like whenever they're giving us information about charitable institutions, non-government organizations, or political parties or in the work done by them, it's known as non-commercial advertisements because these advertisements are not going to turn out in purchase of something, so they will not turn out in commercial benefit of the advertiser. Hence, we do not call them commercial advertisements. Next is the social advertisements. So the social advertisements basically tell us about, right.
Mama,
Social
like
advertisement tells
will
about the
fill about
schemes
the
like the
awareness.
spread awareness about social issues such as precautions to prevent certain diseases, safety rules to be followed, etc. And this is known as social advertisement. Like you can see the picture of both of them here. Canon camera is a commercial advertisement. Like here where they have made different signs and educating people about the meaning of every sign. This is known as social advertising, right? Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
next first part is given like what is a brand? Like children, like he talked about wow, right? Wow is a brand, right? And if I talk about Levi's, UCP, Vitam, right? All these are brands, right? All these are
Yes,
brands of
ma'am.
different things. Like I told you about the brands of clothes. Similarly, we have brands of cars, we have brands of shampoos, we have brands of various things.
Maruti.
Everything has a brand, right? Okay. Yes, Rachitri.
Brands. A brand may be defined as a name, term, sign, slogan, symbol, or design, or a combination of these which help differentiate the product of one company from that of its competitors or other identical products. Advertisements help in creating an image for the brands as they highlight the unique features of the product. Advertising can also help in making a brand appealing to the different concerns of the consumer and hence build their own brand values. Let us try to understand how brands work with the example of Coca-Cola.
Right, children, so like we
Coca-Cola
just said, brand is a name, a term, a sign, slogan, symbol, or a design, or a combination of all of these, which help us to differentiate between the product of one company from that of its competitors or identical products, right? Like there's a difference between Reebok and Reebok, right, kids? You have seen
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Reebok,
ma'am.
right?
Ma'am, Adidas and
But
Adidas.
yeah, similarly Adidas and Adidas, right? Both of them are different, right? Similarly, Adi,
Adibas is a true copy of that.
Adidas,
Yes,
and
ma'am. Like there was a ma'am like Yonis.
Adibas or Adibas or anything like that, right? So these brand names, their symbols, they help us to differentiate from like these are the identical companies. Otherwise, like Reebok and Adidas are competitors. Nike is again a competitor. Puma is again a competitor of these, right? So advertisement help in creating an image for the brands as they highlight the unique features of the products, right? We become able to recognize the brand with the help of a symbol and its name. For example, if I show you different symbols, you will be able to identify their brands easily, right? Whether I will show you of Starbucks, of McDonald's, of Amazon Prime, right? Of Nike, of UCB, we are able to identify, right? Okay, we know that we can recognize product with its symbol, right? We can identify a brand with its symbol or anything, right? So that's what they became unique features, right? Advertising can also help in making a brand appealing to different concerns of the consumer and hence build their own brand values, right? Advertisements like make appeal to consumers different concern and build their brand values. Like for example, now we know that if we are investing, we know that the shoes of Adidas, Reebok, Puma, they do cost a lot. But then we can rely on them blindly. We know that if we are investing this much in them, ultimately we're going to get comfort and style, right? We're going to get both of the things because these brands are known for it, isn't it? And now
Yes,
these
ma'am.
brands have made that
Yes, ma'am.
image of themselves that people will not even think twice before investing in them. Right, kids? Okay. So now let us talk about
You know, Adidas make their shoes from the mom like that waste that mom like that waste that we found in mom oceans and seas.
I know that along with Adidas, there are many other companies which have started doing the same. You know that there are companies which have also started making t-shirts out of plastic. They're making clothes out of plastic. So yes, there are many brands doing such.
So, ma'am, it will won't it be harmful for the skin?
No, it won't be harmful for the skin. They're making in such a way, right, that it is wearable.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, now we are going to see the example of Coca-Cola. See, again, songs use these words which make these brands more recognizable. Coca-Cola is still an old brand. Okay. Yes, Sanya, read.
Ma'am, I have heard like Santa Claus.
What, Santa Claus?
Ma'am, I have heard that Santa Claus, like whenever Christmas comes, people wear like red clothes for the like representing Santa, but actually he don't used to wear red color because of Coca-Cola. They wore red color because they advertise like in such a manner. They have red color in their like cans, so they kept the color of the dress of the Santa as red, and that's why it became so popular that now Santa is known for like red and white.
Great of marketing of the Coca-Cola, ma'am. What they did it, ma'am, in which country I don't know. Their students are also going. Their one biggest like maybe cans. The machine is there. So here is written hug me. So the person came and hug it. So the Coca-Cola came outside of it, and ma'am, the Coca-Cola is giving free Coca-Cola, and they're recording the videos of those students. And ma'am, they are just
All these activities are just tactics of building brand identity. These are again advertisemental activities. They're just doing advertisement by these activities as well. Right? Yes, Sanya, read about Coca-Cola.
Okay, ma'am. Brands. A brand may be defined as name,
What?
term,
You
size.
have to read about Coca-Cola, Sanya. Where are you? The company that sells beverages.
Okay, ma'am. Coca-Cola, the company that sells beverages, saw an increase in its sales after launch of the advertisement campaigns with the slogan "Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola." Sign actor Amir Khan acted in the series of the Coca-Cola advertisements as the different character. Each advertisement in the series is stressed on the fact that whenever one asked for Thanda, it had to be Coca-Cola. In India, the term roughly refers to cold drink. But with this campaign, the word Thanda came to be associated with the Coca-Cola. In other words, through the powerful use of word, our imaginary brand Coca-Cola became a synonym for a cold drink everywhere in India. Such endorsement of products by famous people like cricketers or film actors influences the thinking of the consumers. When the consumers see their favorite celebrities, they are promoting a product, they are also tempted to try it as their idols watch for the product.
Vouch for the product, right? So Coca-Cola is a company that saw, yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, many of the cold drinks are owned by Coca-Cola only.
Right. So the company just saw increase in their sales after launch of the advertisement campaign. Thanda matlab Coca-Cola. Like you might have seen, various advertisements have various jingles, right? This wordplay which they use is known as jingles. For example, आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं is jingle of which brand?
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Mountain Dew.
Thumbs up.
No,
A
thumbs up.
Mountain Dew.
Mountain
Ma'am,
Dew.
Wrong.
Mountain
आज कुछ
Dew.
तूफानी
Thumbs up.
करते हैं
Ma'am, it's
thumbs
of a
up.
cold drink.
The Mountain Dew one is डर के आगे जीत है.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, it's of
Ma'am, it is
thumbs
of Sprite.
No.
Thumbs up.
Sprite doesn't do ad these days. Sprite.
Sprite
No,
does.
Ma'am, thumbs
Sprite
up,
does.
Pepsi. Ma'am, Pepsi.
No, ma'am. Thumbs up.
Oh, Mountain Dew.
I am done. It is of thumbs up. I am right. I know that. Right? Like आज कुछ तूफानी करते हैं is thumbs up. And डर के आगे जीता is Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
for the
And
Sprite,
then
there was
Sprite
something else.
clear it.
clear hai. Sprite is clear hai. Right, she's right. Okay. So such kind of jingles they have, and they become very famous with these. Right. Similarly, this brand has seen a growth in its the sale of its product after this one.